Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about a feature that FOXTEL GO has or FOXTEL GO offers. Now FOXTEL GO offers several features to enhance the viewing experiences for users. First of all, it has a live streaming, that is, user can live stream TV channels from their Foxtel subscription on their mobile device or computer, and it does access a vast library of on-demand movie, TV show, documentaries, and other content available for streaming anytime. And you can also receive personalized recommendation based on viewing history and preferences to discover new content. Along with that, you can watch content on multiple devices, simultaneously allowing for flexible viewing options for the whole family as well. It is easy to resume watch content from where you left off across different devices without missing a bit. And you can also use the search function and browse through categories to find different movies, TV show, or channels quickly and easily. And FOXTEL GO offers accessible features such as closed captions and audio descriptions for users with visual impairments. Now, these features make FOXTEL GO a versatile and convenient platform for accessing FOXTEL GO content on the go, providing users with flexibility and control over their viewing experiences. So these are the features that FOXTEL GO offers. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.